Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for promotion of various startups. For today's interview, we have Mrs. Gayatri, the CEO and co-founder of eServe Safe Trip Private Limited, who is a hospitality and tourism industry where well experienced and professional work as a consultant to their clients. They travel extensively and experience the premium hotels and unique restaurants across India and filter it according to their team and conditions. They do customized, tailor-made packages to their group tours, corporate conferences, family outings, and they also conduct team-building activities and fun-based activities at the competitive price. Their motto is to satisfy their customer, which can only be achieved by quality and time-to-time services. Knock them at time and anywhere in the world. They are available to serve you. They guarantee that their customers can experience a comfortable and hassle-free holidays in India. Sounds interesting, right? So let's know more about it from Gayatri herself.
So good afternoon, ma'am. I am More Tanvi from Startuplanes and we welcome you for this interview.
Good afternoon to you. Thank you so much for your interview also. Tell me.
Ma'am, I would request you to please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Fine. I'm Gayatri. I'm a founder and managing director of eServe Safe Trip Private Limited. We are into the hospitality and tourism industry for the past 20 years. This is my 21st year into this industry.
Great. So ma'am, my very first question to you is that how did you come up with this idea of startup?
Actually, I worked with so many different, hotel industries, and of course, tourism, branded companies also. I felt something was missing. So from that time onwards, I was having an idea to start my own company where I should have a clear picture of do's and don'ts. So that definitely that will help for the employer-employee relationship. Definitely, it's a main reason for us to get into a good output. That's what I felt, so I started from that time onwards.
Great. So ma'am, as you mentioned that you are in this industry since 21 years. So can you recall any difficulties that you faced in the initial stages of the journey?
Of my company you are asking, right?
Yes.
The difficulties.
Yes.
I didn't find much difficulty because as I have a good experience with this industry and since I know them, all the companies, So, except the financial crunches at the initial stage, because we used to give some credit facilities to our regular clients. So, after that, I am not having any much difficulty in my early stage of this business.
Okay. So, ma'am, you have an established market. So, I want to know that what was the market gap that you identified?
Market gap in my industry is like what we feel is like the other companies generally they may not be aware about what is the nook and corners and pros and cons of the resort or the hotel, the services experiences. So without knowing that, they will talk to the clients. So I feel that is the main gap in the market in this industry.
Okay. So ma'am, can you explain your business model in detail?
My business model is we used to pre-purchase the rooms from unique and premium properties across India. So because of the pre-purchases, anytime, whenever you call us, we can give the rooms and at a very competitive price, especially lesser than online rates and resort rates too.
Okay.
So that's the business model, and of course we have other by practice on who is handling the same thing. Rest everything remains the same model.
Ma'am, till now we have talked about the market, we have talked about your business model. Now I want to know that what are the products and services you provide?
We deal with premium and unique properties across India. We give holidays for the corporates and team outing, team building activities and family outings also in a very different way where it is value for money to the clients.
Okay. Ma'am, as we discussed that you have an established market, so obviously your competitors are also there, many out there. So I want to know that what are the three main things that differ you from your competitors?
Number one, we pre-purchase, as I said. Because of that, the cost which we are giving to our clients is definitely lesser than any online market rates. Number one. Number two is our team goes to the property, we experience personally, we stay there, we know the pros and cons, and we experience the properties, the services, the food quality, everything. Then we distill and we filtered it out into our clients, according to their preferences and the budgets and the requirements. That is number two. And number three is, as I told you, I have a clear do's and don'ts where I have a full authority to my staff, where they can show their full responsibility, and by their creativity, they are also interacting with the top management people of other companies when they are interacting and giving solutions to their holiday packages.
Okay. Ma'am, so as you know that the viewers who are watching, they are the layman persons. So I want to know that if any job applicant comes to you, so like why should they apply in your company?
As I told you, we deal with the premium properties and unique properties. Obviously, premium properties, the cost is also more. So that can be affordable only by the top clients and premium, sector people. So they get to know each and every person. I mean to say, the staff will interact with the top managements or the celebrities, in fact, and some government officials personally interacting with them. And when they are interacting, of course, the top officials also knows us. So instead of we know them, they knows us very well. So that brightness and credibility that our staff will definitely carry it. So that's the main reason for them to apply to our company.
Okay. Ma'am, my next question is that if not this business, what else would you be doing?
Well, I would be a professional motivational speaker or corporate trainer, or I will be in a top management company or of any well-organized organization.
Great. Ma'am, are you looking for any vendor to simplify any part of your business?
As of now, no, because we have already registered and listed vendors with us. So probably if there is anything new properties are coming up, definitely we'll look into it.
Okay. Ma'am, what are your recent and long-term plans for your business?
Long term is obviously I need to expand this business with more staff in the present location itself, because we have to train people. So that is my motive, and I want to give the standard and very profile branded experiences to all of my clients.
Okay. Ma'am, lastly, that I would like to share that after many days I am interviewing a woman. So from you, I want to know that what is that one piece of advice you want to give to other your budding entrepreneurs or fellow women who are same as you, working as you?
Well, female generally they would be having much confidence. So of course, with that confidence, deep knowledge about their business and its model, and with clarity in their business model, and with full of knowledge and perseverance with honesty, I think that is much enough for them to come up in a very big way. That's my small advice to budding entrepreneurs.
Ma'am, surely this advice will surely help many people out there. And lastly, if you want to say something to your viewers or our viewers, it would be great.
I'm so happy that I got this opportunity to get interviewed by your good, professionally well-organized people. And definitely this is a good turning point for me to because nowadays online media is very, very effective than anything else, than any other normal advertisements in the paper or anything. So I feel this definitely works out very well, especially in my industry. So even I would love to share this kind, link to all of my clients, to my vendors too. So I feel so happy, and I'm so privileged with this interview.
And that's great to hear that you also enjoyed it. Ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time and your crucial words. We are very thankful for having you on the board.
Thank you so much for it. Thank you. See ya.